Engineers at the University of California, Berkeley have developed tiny wireless sensors that are the size of a dust speck. The idea is that you can have them implanted into your body to monitor your nerves, muscles, or organs in real time. Unofficially, this is the bridge between the wearable that monitors your heart health and an implantable that changes your mind before you have a chance to make some bad decisions. It's the devil's magic! Boil that dust speck! The batteryless sensors could be used to stimulate your nerves and muscles, which could make way for what are called electroceuticals, which could treat disorders like epilepsy, stimulate the immune system, or reduce inflammation. I mean, could it go down and grab that micro machine I swallowed as a kid? I just never saw that Lambo again. The neural dust is powered by ultrasound technology, and the engineers have already built 1 millimeter cube sensors that contain a piezoelectric crystal that converts ultrasound vibrations from outside the body into electricity to power a tiny onboard transistor. According to one professor on the project, this is the first time that humans have put something super tiny, super deep in the body. They could take this grain of sand, park it next to a nerve or a muscle, and find out, why your back hurts every day, all day, regardless of whatever you try. Eastern medicine, Western medicine, nothing! All in real time. It's the devil's magic! Well, out of our inner space and onto our skin, as engineers at the University of California, San Diego have developed a flexible wearable sensor that not only measures your blood alcohol level using your sweat, but it can also send the data anywhere, to anyone, depending on the terms of your probation, via Bluetooth. The device is made up of a temporary tattoo that electrochemically detects your alcohol level and is magnetically attached to a portable, flexible electronic circuit board for the wireless connectivity. According to researchers who are seemingly flooded with optimism, you could use the sensor when you go out, and it would ping your phone as you slowly drift into a hazy blackout. Just so you know not to drive. The tech will also likely be licensed for a new drinking game available at a local novelty store. What is more likely is integrating the tech into the interlocker on your car, bricking your car until you sober up, or as a tool to make sure that troublemakers don't violate their absolute sobriety. It's the devil's magic! The Spider is a patented new autonomous tech out of Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works that searches for and repairs tiny pinholes in airships. Holes in balloons can be treacherous because, well, the Spider is a self-propelled instrument for damage evaluation and repair. They don't all have to be acronyms. It's made up of two magnetic halves. The outer half shines a light on the surface, while the inner half detects pinholes using light sensors from inside the envelope. According to an interview with IEEE, once Spider spots a spot, it patches it with a device that sort of works like a handheld label maker, and then it sends a before and after pic to a central hub for verification. The new tech solves one of the biggest time sucks in the airship industry, and it certainly beats the old way, which is basically a crew of workers shining a bright light on the envelope for 10 days. I mean, you're building hybrid airships, and until now your answer looks like a bunch of hipsters trying to patch a tent during a rainstorm? That is not innovative. The LMH-1 airship has 80,000 square feet to cover, and the Spiders can now do it in less than 5 days, depending on the number of pinholes. What if we took the Spider tech and translated it for the human body stuff we were talking about earlier? Like a tiny Roomba that would scan your body as you slept and cleaned out your individual pores? Think about it. Yep, another idea. Mine for the day. I'm David Mantey. This is Engineering by Design.
Oh, man.